Welcome to our backyard oasis. It's a little bit country, but it does the trick. This is a stock tank that we've converted into a saltwater pool using a small spa-sized saltwater chlorinator. So we need to add something like this to it to create the chlorine using the saltwater chlorinator. So I just bought this Freshwater, interesting name, Freshwater Salt. This is spa salt that'll work in any saltwater pool or spa system that you have. I do love that it came with this across the top so that if anything should happen and this should somehow come open in the package in shipment, it's not going to spill salt everywhere, because I have had that happen before with other shipments of spa salt that I've ordered. I also love that this is a handheld, easy to carry 10-pound bag. So this is the perfect size. And let me show you something else I love. Easy to open. See this little tab here? Zips right off and makes this easy to open and close. It comes with a measuring scoop right inside. So you've got your spa salt in there, your scoop ready to go. Of course, how much you add is going to be totally dependent on the size of your pool. The backside has a very handy chart of quantities to add, as well as this little guide telling you what your target ppm should be for your saltwater levels. Directions for use. Everything is very clearly laid out here. Nice, clean design, thick bag that's not going to break open on me. I'm really pleased with this. I'm ready to get this thing and ready for summer. Cheers to your saltwater system. Let's get swimming.